We are going to sketch y equals to 15 over x squared. We know these sort of equations are reciprocal, so therefore the shape of the graph will be, if I just draw an x and y axis, it would be something similar to this. However, in this case we have got x squared in denominator, so substituting any number for x will give positive y value. Therefore, the graph will be in first and second quartile, so it won't be on third quartile anymore. One of the most important things in reciprocal graphs, we need to work out the asymptotes. So one of the asymptotes definitely should be the root of the denominator. X squared equal to 0, therefore x equal to 0 is one asymptote, meaning when y is tending toward infinite, x is tending toward 0. And in very similar way, if you rearrange it for x squared or x, you will get y equal to 0 as another asymptote. So therefore, when x is tending toward 0, y is tending toward infinite, and when y is tending toward 0, x is tending toward infinite, like this. Now, when x is tending toward negative infinite, y is tending toward 0 again, and in similar way, when x is tending toward 0 from negative side, y is tending toward positive infinite. So therefore this would be the shape of the graph. Okay, the next question is July 31st. Given that dy over dx is equal to 6 times x to the minus half plus x times by root x. Okay. Given that y equal to 37 when x is equals to 4, find y in terms of x. In fact, the differentiated form of the equation is given and we are required to work out the original equation itself. To do that, all we need just integrate the given equation dy over dx with respect to x. Okay, so y is equal to dy over dx, which is 6x to the minus half plus, rather than writing x times root x, we could write down x times x to the half, which is x to the 3 over 2, which is a lot easier to integrate it. X to the power of 3 over 2, so we want to integrate with respect to x. Y is equal to 6 over minus a half add 1, x to the minus a half add 1, plus 1 over 3 over 2 add 1, x to the 3 over 2 add 1, plus, don't forget the constant c. Let's simplify this. 6 over half is 12, x to the power of minus half plus 1 is half. Add 1 over 3 over 2 plus 1 is 5 over 2. 1 over 5 over 2 is 2 over 5. X to the power of 5 over 2 add c. Okay, now let's use the given information. When x is 4, y is 37. 37 is equal to 12 times 4 to the power of half plus 2 over 5 times by 4 to the 5 over 2 add c. 37 is equal to 24 add 2 over 5 times 4 to the power of 5 over 2, which is 12.8 add c. Therefore, c is equal to 0.2, and as a result y is equals to 12x to the power of half plus 2 over 5 x to the power of 5 over 2 add 0.2 or 1 over 5. However, we can simplify this even further. If you leave it like this, that's correct, but if you've been asked to simplify further, you need to write it down as a y equals to 12 times by root x plus 2 over 5 times by x squared times root x add 1 over